Island of Maui, we share with you a dance that comes from a ranch called Ulupalakua. The ranch was made famous when a gentleman by the name of Wilfred Purdy went there to work after winning the rodeo in 1929 up in Cheyenne, Wyoming, and made the famous area called Ulupalakua his home. The song was written by Mr. John P. Ilani Watkins, talking about the ending of the day and they're coming out of the cowboys making a fire and enjoying the sunrise and the sunset at Ulupalakua.
Ako